Hello, Spreadsheeter with Leverage and Lean, back again with another macro video. In this video, I want to show you an Excel macro that will allow you to quickly and consistently format an Excel spreadsheet. Let's see it in action. Alright, let me start out by navigating to Excel and I will show you this quick format button. It works in two ways. One way it works, if you select just some cells and click quick format, it's going to format just the text within those cells. And you can see that in rows 7 through 10, it's formatted just that text. Or you can leave nothing selected and quick format. It's going to create a table for you. It's going to bold all of the titles in the first row, and then it's going to put borders around all of the cells while formatting the text. And you can see it's going to grab all the way down to the last row in this data and format that. So this is a quick way and an efficient way, I believe, to really format all of your data in Excel. And I don't know how much you work in Excel, but I hope this would be a quick time saver for you, help standardize your formatting, and really help you spit out some of those tables you're maybe creating on a daily basis. If there's ways you think this could be better, let me know. If you think that this is awesome and you absolutely love it, leave some comments. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. More macros to come on this one. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you want to check out this macro and start using it today, just visit leveragelean.com. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to stay up to date on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, connect with us on LinkedIn, check us out on Instagram. Stay awesome.